everyone, welcome to the Learning with the Partschularites on none other channel, only on the Partschul Energy. So today's topic of learning is the pronunciation of the phonic sounds words. You already know that there are the different phonic sounds, and today we'll be practicing that. In the prior class, you have already learned that what are the correct pronunciation of the different letters. different letters के जो correct pronunciation होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं ये आपने सीख लिया. अब आज की क्लास में आप ये सीखेंगे कि जो अलग अलग phonic words हैं उनको हमें कैसे pronunciate करना चाहिए. So before starting the video, let us clear the one basic thing, and the thing is that you already being aware of that there are the different letters, but it has been divided into the two parts. First part is the vowels. You already know that there are the 5 vowels, and those vowels are A, E, I, O, and the last one is U. These are the different vowels, and the rest all are the consonants. There are 21 consonants and the 5 vowels. So today let us learn about the different pronunciations of the words. The first vowel that we have with us is the vowel A, and the vowel A, it has the different pronunciations. The different pronunciations of these vowels are like mat, fan, bat, bag, jam, ear, sad, rack, and tall. Let us practice again. M-A-T, mat, M-A-T, mat, mat, F-A-N, fan, the fan you have at your home, B-A-G, bag, the bag, the school bags, or you have already seen bag. So B-A-G, bag, J-A-M, jam. You like to eat jam, I guess. So J-A-M, jam. Ear, we have the ear. E-A-R, ear. Sad, when you get sad, when you get frustrated, that is a sad. R-A-C-K, rack. R-A-C-K, rack. These are the different aphonic sounds words. So what we have practiced, let us revise it again. M-A-T, mat, M-A-T, mat, F-A-N, fan, B-A-G, bag, J-M, jam, E-A-R, ear, S-A-D, sad, and R-A-C-K, rack. These are the different aphonic sounds. Now let us come to the next vowel, and that is T-E-N, 10. E, double G, egg. E, double G, egg. J-E-T, jet. J-E-T, jet. K-E-Y, key. K-E-Y, key. So these are the different ephonic sounds. Now let us come to the next vowel, and that is the vowel I. The vowel I. So the examples of vowel I phonic sounds is pit, P-I-T, pit. Mix. You mix something, M-I-X, mix. Z-I-P, zip. Z-I-P, zip. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N is called tin. L-I-D is lid. L-I-D is lid. So these are the different I phonic sounds that you should know. Now let us come to the next vowel, and that is the vowel O. So the vowel O examples are M-O-P, mop. You mop at your home. M-O-P, mop. L-O-G, log. C-O-T, cot. Cot, I must be, you have slept over there. So C-O-T, cot. B-O-X, box. A box where you used to keep your things. B-O-X, box. Boy, B-O-Y, boy. And the next, last example of vowel O is the phonic sound P-O-D, pod. We have P-O-D, pod. So these are the different examples of O vowel, O phonic sound, O vowel. And the next vowel that we have is the vowel U. And the phonic sounds of vowel U is B-U-N, bun. H-U-T, hut, the hut, home. B-U-G, bug, a small insect. P-U-P, pup, a puppy. C-U-B, cup, the lion's cup. M-U-D, mud. So these are the different U vowel phonic sounds. So let's revise the whole thing again. There are the 5 vowels in the conclusion, 5 vowels, and rest all are the consonants. So today in this whole class, in this whole video, we have learned that there are the 5 vowels and 21 consonants, and there are the different phonic sounds of every vowel. हर vowel के अलग-अलग phonic sounds होते हैं. So first phonic sound was A, J, M, C-H-E, cat, B-A-G, bat. These are the different examples of the A phonic sounds. Second is vowel E. We have practiced jet, pet, egg. So these are the different examples of E phonic sounds. I phonic sounds we have then, and I phonic sounds is zip, then tin, lid. These are the examples of I phonic sounds. Now we have came O phonic, O vowel, and the O vowel phonic sound was log, mog, then dog, boy. These are the examples of different O vowel phonic sound. And the last one was the U, and U1 was the bun, hut, tub, bug, duck, pup. These are the different examples of the U phonic sounds. So we have learned the different phonic sounds, words, and you have to also practice the same, everyone, from nursery classes to class everyone. And the homeworks for all the different classes, the homeworks you have for today is nursery class. Please note down your homework. The homework of today is you have to draw the sleeping line. Standing line you already know. Now you have to draw the sleeping line. This is the sleeping line, and you have to draw it one page. And practice the pronunciations of the alphabets again, which we have practiced in the last class, like A, B, C. What is the pronunciation of these words? You have to practice it down. Then the class LKG, you have the homework. Write capital letters from G to letter P. From G letter, from the letter girl, to the letter P, from parrot, you have to practice, you have to write it down, the capital letters from G to P. You also have to pronunciate and practice the same homework. Class UKG, you have to write from small letters, you have to write from H to Q. From H to Q. You will write down the small letters H से लेकर Q तक लिखना है. And आपको 5 vowels name भी लिखने हैं. Class UKG, आपको 5 vowels name लिखने हैं. Class 1, you have to write from letter I to letter P, cursive writing. Letter I से letter P तक आपको cursive writing लिखना है. And second homework आपका जो है वो है 3 phonic sounds of every vowel. Vowel A के 3 phonic sounds, vowel E के 3 phonic sounds, I, O, U, ऐसे ही आपको सबके 3 examples लिखने हैं. Class 2, your homework is write cursive letters from A to D. A से D तक आपको cursive letters लिखना है. 1 page complete. And second homework that you have is 5 phonic sounds of every vowel. Same as class 1, आपको लेकिन 5 लिखना है. Then class 3, you have to write 10 phonic sounds of every vowel in a cursive form. आपको भी same homework है, लेकिन आपको 10 example देने हैं हर vowels के. A vowels के 10 examples, E vowel के 10 examples. लेकिन आप जो handwriting लिखोगे वो cursive form में होगी. Class 4, you have to write your self introduction in cursive writing. From the starting to the end, you have to write it in the cursive writing. And then the next homework that you have is write the phonic sounds 10 in your notebook. Means you have to write down the 10 examples of the every phonic sounds, but it should be again in the cursive form. So hey everyone, from class 4 onwards it has been clear to you, and all of you, you have to do the homework, and don't forget to put today's date, to put today's homework, to put today's topic of learning. And yes, all the best. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Best of luck. Thank you. Have a nice day.